This McLaren GT has 128,000 miles on the odometer, making it the highest mileage McLaren in North America that we know of. I met the owner Marcos through my many years with Gold Rush Rally, so when it quit running and showed signs of a possible engine failure, he called Cannonball to help get it sorted. Once we had the car here from Florida, we got the engine out and quickly found the problem, a broken valve spring. Now we could have repaired the heads and got the car back on the road, but with the engine already out, Marcos decided to do it the right way and take it to the next level with a CSO-T spec engine rebuild. Most importantly, that upgrade addresses the weakest link in this engine, the connecting rods. Now, with its new CSO-built engine, the Pure 900 turbos, and a custom M-engineering tune dialed in here on our dyno, this GT made 1,009 wheel horsepower and 825 pound-feet of torque on pump E85, and 816 wheel horsepower and 718 pound-feet of torque on 93 octane. Peak power numbers are great, but what you really feel with this build is the massive amount of torque throughout the power band. The smaller frame 3.8-liter turbos used by the McLaren GT may limit peak power, but they allow for quicker spool and a swift kick in the pants down low, where this thing surpasses 600 pound-feet of torque as low as 3,500 RPM. Overall, we're thankful to have this opportunity to sort this thing out for Marcos and honored to be part of this car story. He already has well over 30,000 miles planned this year, starting with Gold Rush Rally's Drive West event in June. We can't wait to see this McLaren chase its next milestone, 200,000 miles and beyond. At Cannonball Garage, every McLaren engine we build is backed by 3 decades of motorsports winning experience. If you're looking for an engine build, performance package, or just repair and maintenance, give us a call today.